My name is Professor Kabiru Olusegun Akinyemi, a professor of microbiology at Lagos State University. The topic of the work is BLAST-CTMX group extended spectrum beta-lactamase producing Salmonella typhi from hospitalized patients in Lagos. The numbers of strains of Salmonella enterica serosa develop resistance to third generation cephalosporin due to acquisitions of resistant gene associated with extended spectrum beta-lactamase enzyme ESBL. Problems of ESBL have led to limited as well as expensive treatment options and have impacted negatively on clinical outcomes. In a recent work that we carried out by our researching, we provided evidence of ESBL plus CTMS producing Salmonella species. Unfortunately, these strains were not characterized for carriage of BLAST-CTM1 ESBL among Salmonella strains. In these studies, we collected about 158 samples from patients, and eventually these samples were analyzed microbiologically, and the isolates were subjected to antibiotic susceptibility testing by standard methods. Isolates were screened for ESBL production, and the BLAST-CTM genes as well as transferable plasmid extractions were carried out. Conjugation experiments were also carried out. The results showed that a total of 24 out of 37 Salmonella isolates were ESBL producers, and eliciting about 5 to 7 resistance to different antibiotics. Table actually showed 75% of Salmonellas that are multi-drug resistance. PCR analysis revealed that ESBL production due to BLAST-CTM genes cluster in 11 of 24 isolates that were recorded. Conjugation experiment also revealed a 23 kb self-transferable plasmid, 4 of which were transferred cephalosporin and augmentin resistant to Escherichia coli G532 transconjugate, and were all BLAST-CTMX producers. 4 Salmonella isolates with falciparum-associated co-infections were also detected. The study revealed emergence BLAST-CTMS Salmonella typhi as an agent of pyrexia with potential to spread to other Enterobacteriaceae. This study has further revealed the relevance of BLAST-CTMS ESBL testing for rational use of both ESCT and antibiotics for good outcome in patients with persistent pyrexia associated with Salmonella or Plasmodium infections.